Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Came Learning English. Today I have the exercise for you to practice more about past simple tense that continue from the previous video. បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាស្វាគមន៍ត្រឡប់មកកាន់ Channel Came Learning English សាជាថ្មីដោយថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំសូមបន្តអំពីការសិក្សានៅទម្រង់វេយ្យាករណ៍របស់យើងកាលពីមេរៀនមុនឬក៏វីដេអូចាស់ៗណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងកាលពីវីដេអូមុនគឺយើងបានសិក្សាអំពីការប្រើប្រាស់អំពី past simple បាទ past simple tense ហើយនឹងលំហាត់បាទពាក់ព័ន្ធនឹង exercise បាទសម្រាប់ practice មួយចំនួនហើយបាទថ្ងៃនេះដែរខ្ញុំនឹងមានលំហាត់ជាបន្តទៀតដើម្បីឲ្យបងប្អូនអនុវត្តឲ្យកាន់តែច្បាស់អំពីការប្រើប្រាស់នៅក្នុងទម្រង់ past simple tense នេះណា Okay, now let's start. Yeah, this exercise in here you can see a story with a moral. Yeah, is the title. Now let's go. Yeah, fill in the missing verbs in the text to find out a fascinating story about your life. You should change the verbs into simple past tense in order to make sense, right? So here are all the verbs are the positive and we can say infinitive. So infinitive you have to change to the suitable past tense whether it is in the positive, negative or question, yeah, and regular or irregular verb. So you have to change it in the correct way, right? Okay, now let's start everyone. Okay, so you have to use all the vocabulary or the verbs in here to complete in the speech. Yeah, the verb agree, smile, ask, stand, fall, should, yeah, lose, be, begin, pour. Yeah, it's actually mean should in here. Yeah, it's a come from set. It's already a past tense, everyone. But the other are only the infinitive, right? Okay, so now, yeah, let's start, everyone. Philosophy professor. Yeah, number one, before his class and hid some items in front of him. Yeah, so which verb you have to complete in the speech for number one, everyone. A philosophy professor, number one, before. So you have to complete stand, right? So you have to change, yeah, stand to stood. Okay. Okay, so stood before his class and hid some item in front of him. And number two, first he, yeah, filling a large glass jar with golf balls. Yeah, again, first he filling. So what in the speech? Yeah, he was it begin, right? So you have to change to began, right? Okay, began filling a large glass, yeah, with golf balls. The student, number three, dirty jar, number four, full. Yeah, so number three, everyone, the student, blah blah blah, that was it. The student, yeah, you have to use the verb, which verb? Yeah, so you can say agree, right? Okay, so in the past tense, agree, yeah, plus d, right? Only a d. Agree that the jar was it? Yeah, full. Okay, so you have to use be, right? Okay, so was, okay, was full. So the professor, yeah, number five, and pick up the bulk of small pebbles and pour them into the jar. Okay, so the professor, number five, yeah, go with smile, right? Okay, so smile is a regular verb, just a d. And smile and pick up the bulk of small pebbles and pour them into the jar. The pebbles, of course, number six, into the small spaces. Yeah, again, the pebbles, of course, yeah, what's it? Into. Yeah, so you have to complete fall, right? Okay, so fall to fell, right? Okay, fell into the small spaces. Then the professor, number 7, the bark of sand into the jar. Number 8, blah blah blah, 8, and the sand completely filled the jar. Okay, then the professor, number 7, a ball. So which one for number 7? Mean poor, right? Okay, so you have to complete. Yeah, poor. Yeah, just 8 ed because poor is a regular verb. A ball of sand into the jar, and number 8, it. What's it? Number 8 go with sack, but here as I mentioned above, I mean it's a sack, but I didn't change. Sorry. Yeah. So sack to soup. Yeah. So at the end, the sand completely filled the jar. Then he explained, the jar represents your life, said the professor. The balls are the important thing, your family, your religion, your house. If you 9, blah blah, everything else, your life would still be full. Okay, so everyone, for number 9, yeah, so which verb? If you, everything, yeah, everything else. So if you, yeah, only 2 verb, everyone, lose and yeah, us. Yeah, so you have to complete lose in here. Okay, so you complete lost, alright, in the past tense, everyone. Okay, lose to lost. If you lost everything else, your life would still be full. Okay, the pebbles are the smaller things that matter: your job, your house, your car. The sand represents the trivial things. If you put the sand into the jar first, there's no room for the pebbles or the ball, just like life. I'll take care of the rock first, the thing that really matter. The rest is just sand. One student, number 10, yeah, what wine represented? Okay, so number 10, only one, everyone, asked, right? Yeah, so just complete asked with ed because ask is a regular verb, right? Okay, ask what wine represented. The professor smiled and said, look what happens when he put the entire contents of the glasses of wine into the jar, and the tea was easily observed. Now it's full, he said. Okay. You know what? The professor continued. The moral of the story is simple. No matter how full your life is, there's always room for a glass of wine with a friend. Okay, so it is for the meaning of the story in here, everyone. Okay, so that's all for the exercise. Because only 10 spaces and only 10 verbs too, right? I mean 10 spaces and 10 verbs. So complete all the spaces from number 1 to number 10 in here. Okay, so that's all, everyone. Okay, so that's all for this exercise, everyone. Yeah, it's for the new student or for the newcomer. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new upload video. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.